Hello, today we're actually going to be reading words that have the ah sound. But let's start out with a quick warm-up. What you're going to be doing is changing the vowel sound in a word to make a new word. For example, you are going to change the I in fill to ah. What's the new word? Yes, it's fall. Now you're going to do the rest of them. Change the in len to ah. What's the new word? Yes, lawn. So if that was hard for you, it's n. You're going to change the that's the middle sound, to ah. Lawn. Change the I in wick to ah. What's the new word? Yes, walk. Change the in dan to ah. What's the new word? Yes, dawn. Change the I in smile to ah. What's the new word? Yes, small. Change the I in dry to ah. What's the new word? Yes, draw. Now what we are going to be doing is we are going to read more words with the ah sound. Now, the ah sound can be spelled with A-W, A-U, A-U-G-H, sometimes O-U-G-H, as in the word ought, and A-L, as in the words walk and talk. We don't say talk or wilk. We say talk, walk. And the O also says ah. So A-W, ah, is one of the letter pairs that has the ah sound, like the word saw. Let's decode and blend this word here. Fault. So I want you to pause this video and you may read that word. Now, let's go through and we will read words that have the ah sound. And they all have different spellings, or not all, but have different spellings. And you will see the many ways that ah can be spelled. Number 1. Because. Oft. And often. This is the time when you want to look at 2 or 3 letters at a time and chunk the word. Oft and often. Alt, malt. Fawn. Water. We say water. Now let's read these the fast way. Because, often, malt, fawn, water. Row 2. We read RE as a prefix. So it's repaint. Straw. I blended the 3 consonants together because it's a consonant blend. On is also a prefix, so unfold. Off, or author. Walking. Let's read these the fast way. Repaint, straw, unfold, author, walking. Let's move on to line 3. Remember, I want you to pause this video and read these words yourself, really sounding them out. So saying the sounds that each letter makes or letter pairs, because that will make you a better reader when you struggle. If you're already a fluent reader, then this is just reading these all the fast way. Prepay. Comb. Nature. That's a really hard one to sound out. Nature. URE says or. Clog. Time. overtime. This is one where we would chunk it. Overtime. Let's read these the fast way. Prepay, comb, nature, clog, overtime. These are the two sentences that we will be practicing for fluency. We will sound them out the first time, and then the second time read with fluency. Again, to remind you, fluency means to read as you would talk. You use an appropriate speed, so you read fast enough, and to use intonation, making your voice go up and down. We rake piles of leaves in the fall. Now let's read fluently. We rake piles of leaves in the fall. And I bet you my cursor kind of slows you down. Let's do that one more time. We rake piles of leaves in the fall. When you touch every word, it's just to help you sound them out. But then when you're reading for fluency, we don't always touch every word because that will slow you down. Row 2. We will sound it out. We're going to decode first. My family, that's actually a sight word. My family always washes the laundry on Saturday. Another sight word because we see it a lot. High frequency word. Let's go back and read this. My family always washes the laundry on Saturday. Let's read this quickly with fluency. My family always washes the laundry on Saturday. What I'd like you to do is just continue practicing these words with the ah sound, and the more you read, the better you'll become. Let me know if you need more help with this, and we can practice with more word lists and definitely more text to help you with that.